features in Canva you should be using. First one is text masking. You're going to go to frames and you're going to type in text, and then you will see all of the letters of the alphabet, capitalized, uncapped, as well as numbers to choose from. For the purpose of this video, I am going to be using the word shine. I'm going to fast forward through this process. And here I am just outlining the word shine. Then I'm going to grab an image and just like hover over it, and then bam, the image is inside of the letters. So I will do this for all of the letters. You can choose to use different images for each of the letters, but I'm just using the one image to create one straight flow. Now, midway through this design, I decided to change my mind on the image that I am using. And that is basically how you use the text masking tool in Canva. Next up is bulk create. Now for this, you need to make sure that your design is fully complete before we even start this process. This is great if you have multiple of the same thing that needs to be created. So for this, I just have welcome to, and month here will be replaced with the months of the year, and you can change it for whatever you like. So to get started on this, you're going to go to apps, and then you're going to search for bulk create. From there, you can enter data manually or you can upload your data. So I'm going to upload mine, and I just have a CSV file with all of the months of the year. So I'm just going to upload that. So I'm going to select month here. I'm going to keep the same font, and I'm going to click on connect data. And then I'm going to click on month because that's the title of my data. And then I'm going to hit continue, and you have all the options there. So I am going to deselect January, February, March, and April because we're now in May. So I just need from May to December. From there, you'll see it generate 8 designs. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open in a new file for you. You have it. Everything is already completed for me. So welcome to May, welcome to June, welcome to July, etc. So yeah, it saves me time from like backspacing and typing in and everything. So this just makes your process much more faster. And that is how you use bulk create in Canva. Thank you for watching.